Big madam came one. Do what you want to do. You say you do things. Do what you want to do.
Hello, Wagwan. Yeah man, I enjoy this. Yeah, which posted this. I come talk about collect card. Hey lady, I'm money alone man collect. And see if you not call me from the bank, me I beg you disconnect. Hold on, where's your Addy? Put him on man, bumbaras clad. Addy, talk to me daddy. Hold on, where's your right now? Yeah man, my fault man, cause I know nothing to do right now. Yeah man, them come out of the vehicle, change your plans. They go turn back like an unruly Christian.
Now did my boy get a get Bruce me the phone, the chain for me neck. Till I fall it, the brain on till she get wet. So we do it, you know, cause I wiggle like the street, you know.
Oh that, Papi the prefect. From them time they till now look like in the age that. Like you still a do C-sec. So what? You don't take a seat yet.
You know what the teacher have to tell the student to take a seat. You see it?
Oh, yeah man, I eat man. I'm on a real level still in a Papi. You see when me and Sean drop back a road, we want to burn up the streets like 10 tire. So we are going to build back the Gaza Empire.
I mean, Addy, a long time that for go on. I know I'm on a race soldier.
Well, me and you know say you the kind of fuck up in the past. But sure, that a joke thing to the world boss. Realize say you get punch up, and I was some real mates after that. Worse after you do the song called Family.
A real talk in a teacher. Can't make some boy check we and kill we. There must be blood clot man.
All that, much as some boy a link you have careful of your friend. So what go on for you and did it then?
And also the boy down and them a post it. The boy them violate. After the boy come on my yard and say me girl a wash with the breeze. He might upload do a song and left one off for the collab. But them never know man where they go mad.
You know easy no Papi. No worry yourself man. A Gaza go come lock off the streets. Yes when some boy you try use tricks and trade for style. We no wild them. A 4 things about it. Catch them girls, show them the Kyle them. Spoil them. Style them, then we aisle them. Remember say we say straight jeans and fit it. And we say clothes and all of the fans them a follow without limit. And that, watch out, me have a new tune when we want we drop. Named Prison Suit and Hard Boot. Performed by the Shard Man and the Tall Youth. Yeah man, that one you go surprise them. Like when a ducky mysteriously appear beside them.
A crazy something in the Addy. I would guide them. I wonder if it's a brother. I wonder if it's size dead.
Just go and meds it. But differently, here what the plan to take over. We are gonna make some boy face boss. Like when them trip over. Where the family come make the link. I'ma make him know say film duties for recruit the soldiers them from the west. And likewise, you just recruit some soldiers from the east. So when we drop a road, it'll go easy if we make the siege.
Then a simple thing that, you know the killer them got my back like a ground.
Alright, me no really have nothing else to say to you. Call of Duty. What you say? We good you know.
Yeah man, everything good, Addy. There's one thing you never try to understand, you know. The other day I big you up for your earth strong. It's like a reply to everybody else and I pay my post, no mine.
Jaja, no hard feelings man. No watch no face. You don't know them places set already, man can hardly get them phone charged and up and running. That, right as me I reply, the phone battery dead in the cell.
See money there, go call the fast. Wait till we reach that door fast. Can't load that money no. Oh smart talk, if it talks, get a cut of some me make it broadcast. 10 million on the table, no mass. No signature that me no wear that glass. Every little boy try know ya pass. Those dear on the table like a road ya cross. Me nah play for no money game. If I no money I be wrong number. I know some me name. Temperature will have to keep the chain, push up the chain. Crime man, I grind.